Justice can hinge on something as fleeting as a breath of fog on glass. In the cold of a late winter night, a patrol officer wipes sleet from a windshield. He slides a routine ticket under the wiper, the ink feathering on the damp paper. The license plate number, however, stays crisp, cold as steel. Weeks later, that single forgotten slip will tie the car to the exact block where a victim vanished. Veteran detectives understand this power of the small. They are guided by a simple principle: nothing is insignificant. Even language can betray an imposter. A ransom note might smuggle a stray letter U into the word color, a tiny flag pointing to a specific background. If a single letter can unmask a voice, what other crucial details are hiding in plain sight? Today, our world is a constant stream of these details. Doorbells record faces, and our phones log our location with every casual tap. Our lives spill these digital fragments, whether we notice or not. Learning to hear the ordinary has never been more important. Because sometimes a detail is so small it doesn't just whisper, it contradicts the entire story everyone believes, nudging us toward a far stranger truth. The loudest sound in a case often drowns out the facts. In the fluorescent hum of a precinct, a smashed window seems to shout its story, while the quiet evidence, the smudge on a glass, the dust on a floor, goes unheard. Morning news alerts flash across a phone, and a headline thunders a shocking twist. The media narrative takes hold, inflating a red herring while the dull, crucial detail shrinks into the background. Modern investigation is the art of the slow listen. It's the practice of testing every loud claim against a quiet fact. In a scratchy emergency call, it's not just the plea for help, but the distant cry of a gull and the hum of a diesel engine that allow soundscape analysis to triangulate a coastal road at rush hour. On security footage, a shadow sliding across a storefront decal can pinpoint the exact time of day. A photo's hidden metadata can rebuild a lost timeline, minute by minute. With each cross-reference, the story stops shifting and begins to hold. We must listen even deeper. On a sterile lab bench, a single human hair rests in a paper fold. Here, the techniques of deoxyribonucleic acid analysis can amplify its whisper into undeniable proof, turning rumor into record. In an age where social media feeds race and outrage trends, justice still depends on this disciplined listening. The framework remains simple, and it remains hard. Question the timeline, trust the ordinary, verify the source. Next, we will apply that framework to a case where one quiet detail, overlooked for years, finally began to speak.